You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Moving to Italy from America is an exciting step toward a new lifestyle, but international relocation requires more than packing boxes and booking a shipment. Italian custom authorities carefully review documentation before releasing household goods for delivery. If you don't have the correct paperwork prepared in advance, shipments can be delayed at port, while officials verify residency status, inventory records, and ownership of goods. Understanding which documents you need before your move begins can help prevent unnecessary stress and ensure your belongings arrive in Italy smoothly. One of the most important documents in an international move is the packing inventory. Italian custom requires a descriptive list of everything inside your shipment. This document serves several purposes. It confirms the shipment contains personal household goods. It supports eligibility for duty-free entry. It allows custom officers to verify declared contents. A proper inventory does not use vague descriptions. Entries should clearly describe each item, such as wood dining table, used leather sofa, 25 books for personal use, framed oil painting, kitchen cookware set. High-value items such as artwork, antiques, or electronics should also include reasonable declared values. Accurate inventories are essential for both custom clearance and insurance protection. Professional expert packing teams typically prepare inventories as part of the packing process to ensure document matches the physical shipment. If you want to see how professional packing supports international documentation requirements, you can review the process online. Retiring in Italy should be exciting, not stressful. Let experienced international movers guide you through the shipping logistics, custom requirements, and delivery to your new home. Give us a call today to speak with a relocation specialist about your upcoming move.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.